वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णौ वन्दे जगद्गुरुं. Good evening everyone. We are learning 15th chapter Purushottama Yoga. We will have revision now. Shrikar,
Yes, ma'am.
recite first 3 sloka.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. अथ पंचदशोऽध्यायः पुरुषोत्तमयोगः। ऊर्ध्वमूलमदः
Shri Bhagavan, oh ekam. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha, who is telling?
श्री भगवानुवाच ऊर्ध्वमूलमदशाकम् अश्वत्थं प्राहुरव्ययम् छन्दांसि यस्य पर्णानि यस्तं वेद स वेदवित् अधश्चोर्ध्वं प्रसृतादस्य शाखा गुणप्रवृद्धा विषयप्रवालाः अधश्च मूलान्यनुसन्ततानि कर्मानुबन्धीनि मनुष्यलोके न रूपमस्येह तथोपलभ्यते नान्तो न साधेन च सम्प्रतिष्ठा अश्वत्थमेनं सुविरूढमूलम् असङ्गशस्त्रेण दृढेन चित्वा
Uttamam. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Saisha.
ततः पदं तत्परिमार्गितव्यं यस्मिन् गता न निवर्तन्ति भूयः तमेव चाद्यं पुरुषं प्रपद्ये यथा प्रवृत्तिः प्रसृता पुराणी यतः प्रवृत्तिः प्रसृता पुराणी
Prahritif. Both words visarga if sound.
प्रवृत्ति.
Recite the last line again.
यतः प्रवृत्तिः प्रसृता पुराणी.
Very good.
निर्माणमोहाजितसङ्गदोषा अध्यात्मनित्या विनिवृत्तकामाः द्वन्द्वैर्विमुक्ताः सुखदुःख संयैः गच्छन्त्यमूढाः पदमव्ययं तत्.
Ek nimisham. Gachantya gach. Each is there.
गच्छ.
Then mood off if sound.
मूढाः पदमव्ययं तत्.
Yes. Repeat the last line.
गच्छन्त्यमूढाः पदमव्ययं तत्.
Very good.
न तद्भासयते सूर्यो न तद्भासयते सूर्यो न शशाङ्को न पावकाः यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम.
Tadhama id is there.
तद्धाम परमं.
No. You are telling tadhama. It is tadhama.
तद्धाम.
Yes, correct.
Paramam mama.
Correct. Here in the first line, last word pavakaha. It is not pavakaha. Pavakaha.
Okay.
Got it? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. We will repeat with Shrinika.
Yes, ma'am.
Natad bhasayate suryo.
Natad bhasayate suryo na shanko na pravati.
Who is reciting? Mute yourself. Na shashanko na pavakaha yadgatva na nivartante tadhama
Tadama
Paramam mama.
paramam mama.
Very good, excellent. We will go to next sloka with the Shrinika. Mamai Vamsho
Sho
Jeevaloke
Jivaloke
Jeevabhutas.
Jivabhuta
Bhutas is a sound.
Bhutas
Correct. Sanatanaha
Sanatanaha
Manah
Mana
Shashtha
Shashta
Nindriyani
Nindriya
Nindri.
Nindriyani
Very good. Now Prakriti
Prakrti
Sthani
Tani
Karshati.
Varshati.
Uttamam. Yes,
Thank you,
Harshita.
ma'am.
Welcome. Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Mamai Vamsho
Mamai Vamso
Jeevaloke
Jivaloke
Jeevabhutas
Jivabhutas
Sanatanaha
Sanartanaha
Manah
Mana
Shashtha
Sasta
Nindriyani
Nindriyani
Prakriti
Prakriti
Sthani Karshati.
Sthani Karsati.
Uttamam. Shrikar.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Ma'am?
Yes, seventh sloka.
Okay, ma'am. Mamai Vamsho Jivaloke Jivabhuta Sanatanaha Manashasthanindriyani Prakritisthani Karshati.
Uttamam. Saisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Come.
Mamai Vamso Jivaloke Jivabhuta Sanatanaha Manashastha Nindriyani Prakristhani Karshati.
Ekanimsham. Jeevabhutas. It is not bhuta. Bhutas. Visarga should be recited. Yes. Put yes in your textbook. Okay. Jeevabhutas Sanatanaha. Recite first line.
Mamai Vamso Jivaloke Jivabhutas Sanatanaha.
Correct. Now in the second line, Manah H sound. Ich sound. Okay. Shashtha.
Shashtha
Yes. Nindriyani.
Nindriyani
Then Prakritisthani.
Prakritisthani
Now repeat the second line.
Manashashthanindriyani Prakritisthani Karshati.
Uttamam. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear for you? Okay. We will go to next sloka with Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Shariram
Shariram
Yada
Yada
Vapnoti
Vapnoti
Yachap
Yadtab
Yutkrama
Yutkrama
Tishwaraha
Tishwaraha
Grihit
Grahit
Vaitani
वैतानि
संयाति
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 वायुर
वायुर्गन्धानि
गंधानि. It is not khandani, gandhani.
गन्धानि
Yes. Vashayat.
वासयात्
It is not vasa, vasha.
वास
Sha.
स
Vashayat.
वासयात्.
Excellent. Srinika,
Thank you, ma'am.
welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shariram
Sariram
yada
yada
vapnoti
vapnoti
yachap
yachap
yutkrama
yuprama
tishvaraha.
Ishwaraha
Very good. Grihit
Grivit
hi.
Grihit
Very good. Vaitani
Vaitani
samyati
Samyati
vayur
Vayu
gandhani
Grandhani
vashayat.
Vashiyat.
Uttamam. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Aisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Recite.
Shariram yadavapnoti yachapyutkramatiishvaraha grihit vaitani samyati vayurgandhani vashayat.
Uttamam.
Thank
Yes.
you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Shrikar.
Ma'am,
Each sloka.
शरीरं यदवाप्नोति यच्चाप्युत्क्रामतीश्वरः गृहीत्वैतानि संयाति वायुर्गन्धानि वासयात्.
Uttamam. We will put next sloka. Here, this visarga should be recited as the is sound. Write it yes in English. Okay, so we will have a revision now with Udbhavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Srotram
Srotram
chakshus
tak
chakshush.
chakshush
Very good. Sparshanam
parshanam
cha
cha
rasanam
rasanam
grana
prana
mevacha
mevacha
adishthaya
adishthaya
manaschayam
manaschayam
vishaya
vishaya
nupa
nupa
sevate
devate
sevate.
sevate.
Uttamam. Srinika.
Yes, ma'am.
Srotram chakshus
Chakshush
sparshanam
sparshanam
cha.
cha
Yes. Rasanam
rasanam
grana
prana
mevacha
nemacha
अधिष्ठाय
अधिष्ठाय
मनश्चायं
मनश्चायं
विषया
विषया
नुप
नुप
सेवते
रेबते
सेवते
सेवते.
उत्तमं श्रीकर
Thank you, ma'am.
वेलकम
Ma'am,
9th
yes,
श्लोक
ma'am. श्रोत्रं चक्षुस्पर्शनं च रसनं घ्राणमेव च अधिष्ठाय मनश्चायं विषयानुपसेवते.
उत्तमं हर्षिता
Yes, ma'am.
श्रोत्रं
Shrotram
चक्षुस्
chakshus
स्पर्शनं च
sparsanam cha
रसनं
rasanam
घ्राणमेव च
granameva cha
उत्तमम् अधिष्ठाय
adhisthaya
मनश्चायं
manaschayam
विषयानुप
visayanupa
सेवते
sevate.
उत्तमं शाइशा
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. श्रोत्रं चक्षुस्पर्शनं च रसनं घ्राणमेव च अधिष्ठाय मनश्चायं विषयानुपसेवते.
उत्तमं
Thank you, ma'am.
yes welcome we will go to 10th shloka उत्क्रामन्तं स्थितं वापि up to here first pada bhunjanam inj sound okay that is inj sound nj write it in english if you are not able to pronounce properly so nj in english bhunjanam va gunanvitam this is second pada vimudha nanu pashyanti up to here third pada pashyanti jnana chakshushaha so jnana put one comma and put one breath okay gap then chakshushaha like that you have to take that is the rule to recite we will say the recitation with Harshita okay
Yes,
Srini
ma'am.
yes utkramantam
Ukramantam
sthitam
stitam
vapi
vapi
bhunjanam
bhunjanam
va
va
gunanvitam
gunanvitam
vimudha
vimud. Can you repeat it?
vimudha
Vimuda
nanu
nanu
pashyanti
pasyanti
pashyanti
pasyanti
jnana
jnana
chakshushaha
chakshusah.
good yes
Thank you,
Shrinika
ma'am.
welcome Shrinika
Yes, ma'am.
utkramantam
Ukramantam
sthitam
skritam
sthitam ti
stitam
correct uttamam vapi
vapi
bhunjanam
bhunjanam
va
va
gunanvitam
Gunavitam.
Gunan. In.
Gunanvitam.
With. Very good. Vimudha.
Vimuda.
Nanupashyanti.
Nanu pashyanti.
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 Jnana.
Jnana.
Chakshushaha.
Chakshushaha.
Uttamam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Shrikar.
उत्क्रामन्तं सुतं वापि भुजानं वा गुणान्वितं विमूढाननुपश्यन्ति पश्यन्ति ज्ञानचक्षुषः.
Here, Bhunjanam, inj, Bhunjanam. Like that you have to take this word, okay? Recite that word.
उत्क्रामन्तं सुतं वापि भुञ्जानं वा गुणान्वितम्.
Uttamam. Now, Vimudha, okay, the dha, okay? It should be stressed. Nanu pashyanti, okay, here no problem. Pashyati, jnana. In between, you are having gap, one space, correct? So you have to fill the space with G sound, ing sound. Pashyanti jnana, okay? Like that you have to take. Come again with the second line. It's a recite too slow. Back.
उत्क्रामन्तं सुतं वापि भुञ्जानं वा गुणान्वितं विमूढाननुपश्यन्ति पश्यन्ति ज्ञानचक्षुषः.
Correct. Here, nanu. No should be very clear. Okay. Nanu pashyanti. Okay. Yes. With practice, it will come. And pashyanti jnana. Like that. Ing. One ing sound, then jnana you have to take. So it will be a continued process of recitation. Okay. Yes. Uttamam, Shrikar. Udbhavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Utkramantam.
Kramantam.
Stitham.
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 Vapi.
Vapi.
Bhunjanam.
Bhunjanam.
Va.
Va.
Gunanvitam.
Gunanvitam.
Good. Vimudha.
Vimudha.
Nanupashyanti.
Nanu pashyanti.
Pashyanti jnana.
Pashyanti jnana.
Very good. Chakshushaha.
Chakshushaha.
Uttamam. Saisha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Recite.
उत्क्रामन्तं स्थितं वापि भुञ्जानं वा गुणान्वितं विमूढानानुपश्यन्ति पश्यन्ति ज्ञानचक्षुषः.
Uttamam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, welcome. We will go to next sloka. Yatanto yogi nashchainam. Up to here first pada. Pashyant yatmanya vasthitam. Up to here second pada. So you have to put pashyant. Pashyan, put one comma. Then tyatmanya, put one comma, vasthitam. Okay, then yatanto pya kritatmano. Up to here third pada. Nainam pashyantya chetasaha. Up to here fourth pada. As it is, we have to read where to put comma and where to stop. So that is the matter. Yogi nashchainam, it is easy to recite. Then pashyantyatmanya. So pashyant, int, Okay, in and it should be in the same line. So pashyant, put one comma. Then yatmanya, yatmanya. Like that you have to recite. Yatmanya, put one comma. Then vastitam. It will be easy. The tha should be recited with little more stress because it is second tha. Then yatan topya, put one comma. Okay, the to should be in the long vowel. Topya. Kritatmano. It should be easy. Then pashyantya again. Pashyantya. Okay, comma chetasaha. Like that we have to recite this sloka. We will start with Srinika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yatanto
Yatantu
yoginash
yogina
chainam
shainam
pashyant
pashyant
yatmanya
yatmanya
vasthitam
vastitam
yatanto
yatantu
yatantopya
yatantopya
kritat
kritat
mano
mano
nainam
nainam
pashyantya
pashyanta
yantya.
yantya
Very good. Chetasaha.
chetasam.
Uttamam.
Thank
Udbhavi.
you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Yes,
Udbhavi.
ma'am.
Yatanto
Yatanto
yoginaschainam
yoginashainam
pashyant.
pashyant
Very good. Yatmanya
yatmanya
vasthitam.
vasthitam
Uttamam. Yatantopya
yatanto
topya
topya
kritatmano
kritatmano
nainam
nainam
pashyantya
pashyantya
chetasaha.
chetasaha.
Uttamam. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yatanto
Yatanto
yoginaschainam
yoginaschainam
yes, pashyant
pashyant
yatmanya
yatmanya
vasthitam
vastitam
yatantopya
yatantopya
kritatmano
kritatmano
nainam
nainam
pashyantya
pasyantya
chetasaha.
chetasaha.
Uttamam. Saisha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
This side.
Yatanto yoginaschainam pasyantyatmanyavasthitam yatantopyakritatmano nainam pashyantya chetasaha.
Uttamam. Shrikar.
Ma'am.
Welcome.
Yes, ma'am. Yatanto yoginaschainam pasyantyatmanyavasthitam yatanto prakritatmano nainam pasyantyachetasaha.
Uttamam. We will go to next sloka. Yada ditya gatam tejo. Up to here first pada. Jagad bhasayate khilam. That ka is second ka. Okay, then Yachandra Masi Yachagno. Up to here, third pada. Tattejo. Here it is there. Okay, Tattejo Vidhi Mamakam. Up to here, fourth pada. Normal word. So how to, we have to recite, that is the matter. So no extra word here, only that put one comma Jagat Bhasayate. Okay, then Kilam, that is the small little word only, easy to recite, we will catch easily. Yes, Srinika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yadaditya
Yadaditya
Gatam
Gatam
Tejo
Tejo
Jagad
Jagad
Bhasayate
Bhasayate
Khilam
Kilam
Yachandra
Yachandra
Masi
Masi
Yachagnau
Yachagno
Tattejo
Tattejo
Vidhi
Vidhi
Mamakam.
Mamakam.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Udbhavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yadaditya
Yadaditya
Gatam Tejo
Gatam Tejo
Jagad
Jagad
Bhasayate Khilam
Bhasayate Khilam
Yachandramasi
Yachandramasi
Yachagnau.
Yachagano
Very good. Tattejo
Tattejo
Vidhi Mamakam.
Vidhi Mamakam.
Uttamam. Very good improvement.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, welcome. Shrikar,
Yes, ma'am.
can you recite?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
यदादित्यगतं तेजो जगद्भासयते खिलं यच्छान्द्रं यच्छाग्नौ. How to read that?
Yachagnau.
No, yच्छान्द्रं.
First line, recite first line.
यदादित्यगतं तेजो जगद्भासयते खिलं यच्छान्द्रं यच्छाग्नौ तत्तेजो विद्धिमामकम्.
Uttamam. Where you are having doubt? Where you are having? Yachandramasi. Yach Chandramasi.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Yes. Thank you, everyone. We will meet tomorrow again.